Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I have used how to hide and unhide panel title in ribbon areas. Okay, now let's go. Title, panel title, panel title, panel title, panel title, layout, draw, dimension, tool. Okay, now hide panel title in ribbon areas. Click right mouse, select show panel title. Okay, you look again. Owner title is hide. Okay, now click mouse here again, select show panel title again. Now look again. Okay, title show in the ribbon area, blocks, text, modify, layout, draw, dimension, tool. Okay, very easy. Okay, this video the end here. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.